Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rearmost exhaust mount on a 2017 Ford Escape. You may notice that you need to maybe check these and replace them if your tailpipes here have excessive movement in them. That's how I realized that I needed to replace this one. Okay, so I'm going to be replacing the one on the driver's side here. You don't even have to lift up the vehicle. It's just underneath here, and you can see it right there. I zip tied it as a temporary repair. That was about 5 months ago. These bolts are going to be 13 millimeter. Alright, so there's only 2 bolts holding that on. And this is probably going to be the hardest part, is getting this rubber mount off of the hanger part of the exhaust here. So you're just going to have to pull it and kind of twist it to help it come off. And there it goes. So here's the old one. There's a metal piece that goes all the way around here, and it somehow broke. I bought this car used, so my guess is some kid or someone probably stepped on the tailpipe and broke it. But the zip ties held up pretty good. And I'll kind of show you how wobbly it can be without that hanger on there. The part number for the replacement. So as you can see, that metal part is all there, and this flat side is the side that will be going up, not like this. So it will be going, I think it's flipped the other way, but that flat side faces up. Okay, so it does go on like this. And it can be pretty hard, but we're gonna slide it over the exhaust hanger. And kind of just twist it on. Alright, so I've got it past the lip on the end of that hanger. So now we're ready to put the bolts back in. And this is kind of a little bit more tricky than taking them out. You're gonna have to hold up on the exhaust and then put the bolts in. One. And 2. Now I've got them started, so I'm just gonna impact them in the rest of the way. So that is how you change that exhaust mount, and as you can see, there's basically no play in that tailpipe.